Hello everyone, welcome back to my third lecture on chapter number 1, that is solid state. In this lecture we discuss about two main topics in this chapter, that is first one packing efficiency and second one, that is number of particles and unit cell in x gram of metallic crystal. Okay, then you have to show what the one by one. First one, that is 1.7 packing efficiency. Like coordination number, the magnitude of packing efficiency gives a measure of how two tightly particles are packed together. That is, packing efficiency is the fraction or percentage of the total space occupied by spheres or particles. Okay, then what is the formula? That is, packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by particles in unit cell upon total volume of unit cell multiplied by 100. That is equation number 5. Then next part, that is 1.7.1 packing efficiency of metal crystal in simple cubic lattice is obtained by the following step. Okay, now we have to show, that is the one by one, that is packing efficiency in SCC, BCC and FCC. First, SCC. In SCC cubic crystal, the radius of spheres is simple cubic unit cell. Particles or spheres are at the corner and touch each other along the edges. A face of simple cubic unit cell is shown in figure as like, that is the lattice point of simple cubic lattice cell, that is 8 corners having 8 points, and these second diagrams you have to show what is the two spheres between, what is the distance between is there, that is r1 and r2 is total length. A is the length, A is equal to twice r. Okay, then next one, from the above figures you have to observe that, that is A is equal to twice r, or r is equal to A by 2, that is equation number 6. Then where r is the radius of atom and A is the length of unit cell of edges. Okay, then the second step, that is volume of spheres, how to calculate by volume of spheres. Now the volume of sphere is equal to, we know that, that is 4 by 3 pi into r cube. Then now we substitute the value of r from the above equations, then it gives the volume of one particles, that is equal to 4 by 3 pi into A by 2 cube. Okay, then that is, when you have to calculate, that is pi into A cube upon 6. And now the step 3, you have to calculate by total volume of particles. We know that in simple cubic unit cell contain only one particles, hence the volume occupied by particles in unit cell is equal to pi into A cube upon 6. Okay, next continues, that is the step 4 packing efficiency. Now step 4 you have to calculate by packing efficiency. In packing efficiency, we know that, that is the what simple formula, that is equal to volume occupied by particles in unit cell upon total volume of unit cell multiplied by 100. Okay, then what is the equations? 3 pi into a cube upon 6 upon a cube into 100. The simple you have to cancel by a cube, then remaining part is equal to 100 into pi upon 6. Okay, then what is the next step? That is 100 into pi. Pi is equal to 3.142 upon 6. Then simply calculate, it gives by what is the value is equal to 52.36%. Okay, then thus in simple cubic lattice we have to simply calculate by 52.36% of total space is occupied by particles and 47.64% is empty space. Okay, next part of the void space, empty space or void space. Next part, that is second part, packing efficiency of metal crystals in body centered cubic lattice, that is BCC. In BCC first step, we also calculate radius of spheres or particles. In BCC unit cell, particles occupy the corners, and in addition one particles is at the center of the cube as shown in figure. This figure simply you have to observe what is the R is there and what is the corners. Second point, that is all corners is equal to 1 by 8. Its total 8 point contain 8 corners is equal to 1 particles, and in between center point 1 atoms is there, that is equal to 1 point, means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 atoms. Next, the above figure shows that the particles at the center of the cube touch two corners particles along the diagonal of the cube. These 2 point is there, this first one and this second one. Okay, then to obtain radius of the particles of spheres or sphere is equal to according to, you have to simply calculate by Pythagoras equations. This Pythagoras equations, we know that is if we consider what is the triangle F E and D, F E and D, then if we get what is the triangle, angle between them is equal to 90 degree, we know that is right angles, and what is the Pythagoras theorems is equal to what is the hypotenuse square is equal to FD square is equal to FE square plus ED square is equal to A square plus A square, it gives twice A square. Okay, then we know that is the FE is equal to ED is equal to क्या होता है A. Then what is the next triangle AFD, here also 90 degrees, what is the angle between them, that is also right angles. Therefore here also AF square is equal to AD square plus FD square. Okay, the substitute the above both the equations, then it gives AF square. AF square is equal to A square plus twice A square is equal to thrice A square, because of AD is equal to A or AF is equal to root 3A. Okay, then continues. The above figure shows that AF is equal to 4R. 4R. AF is equal to 4R. Then they substitute the values of R from the above equations. Then root 3A is equal to 4R. Hence R is equal to root 3 upon R into A. We simply simplify that is R is equal to क्या लिख सकते हैं हम लोग 3 root 3 upon 4A, root 3 upon 4 into A. Now step 2, volume of sphere you have to calculate. Volume of sphere is in BCC, that is particles, total particles is equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube. Here also you have to substitute the R's value from the above equations, that is volume of one particle is equal to 4 by 3 pi in bracket root 3 upon 4 into a cube, that is r's value. Then the simplification is there, 4 by 3 pi into in bracket root 3 cube upon 64 into a cube, is it gives root 3 pi into a cube upon 16. Okay, next one, step 3, total volume of particles. Unit cell of BCC contain 2 particles. We know that total particles of BCC is equal to 2. Then the volume of total volume of particles is equal to, you have to calculate by, that is 2 into root 3, 2 into 2 root 3 pi a cube upon 16 is equal to root 3 pi a cube upon 8. Okay, next, packing efficiency. Last point, that is packing efficiency. Packing efficiency, you have to simply know that what is the formula, is equal to volume occupied by particles in unit cell upon total volume of unit cell into 100. Then that is, you have to write down root 3 pi a cube upon 8 a cube into 100. It gives 68%. Means thus the 68% of total volume in BCC unit cell is occupied by the atoms, and 32% is empty space, or that is the void space. Okay, next part, that is packing efficiency of metal crystal in FCC lattice or CCP or SCP. Third part, that is the third types. Here also first you have to calculate by radius of particles. The corner of particles are assumed to touch the particles at the center of face, that is one simple triangle you have to A, B, C and D as shown in figure. The triangle you have to consider A, B and C is the right angle with the angle between them is equal to 90 degree. Then here also you have to calculate according to Pythagoras theorems. We know that is according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square is equal to A square plus A square is equal to twice A square. Okay, then because of, we know that is AB is equal to BC is equal to क्या होता है A. Then hence the AC is equal to root 2. Hence we have to calculate by AC is equal to root 2A. But from the figure we show that AC is equal to 4R. Then they substitute the values of AC from the above equations, that is root 2A is equal to 4R, or R is equal to 4 root 2 upon 4 into A is equal to A upon 2 into root 2. That is equation number 14. Okay, next part, next point, to step 2, that is volume of spheres. In FCC, volume of one particles is equal to, we know that is 3 by 4 pi r cube. Here now we have to also substitute the values of r from the above equations of one particles. Then that is equal to 3 by 4 pi in bracket a upon 2 into root 2 is equal to 4 upon 3 pi a cube into in bracket 1 upon 2 into root 2's cube. It gives pi a cube upon 12 into root 2. Okay, step 3, total volume of particles. The unit cell of FCC lattice contain, we know that is 4 particles. Hence volume occupied by particles in FCC unit cell is 4 into pi a cube upon 12 into root 2. It gives, simply you have to calculate, it gives by, that is pi into a cube upon 3 into root 2. Here 12 4 divide कर दिया है 4 into 12 से, that is it gives by 4 pi into a cube upon 3 into root 2. ठीक है. Next one, what is the step 4? Packing efficiency. The packing efficiency in FCC is equal to also volume, total volume of volume occupied by particles in unit cell to the total volume of unit cell multiplied by 100. Then you have to simply write down, that is pi into a cube upon 3 into root 2 a cube into 100. Then simply calculate, it gives by a cube get cancelled, this a cube get cancelled, and it gives by pi upon 3 into root 2 multiplied by 100. It gives, simply calculate, then you have to obtain what is the 74% volume. Means thus in FCC, CCP or SCP crystal lattice, 74% of the total volume is occupied by particles and 26% is void space or void volume or empty space. Okay, next part, that is edge length and particles parameters in cubic system. Simple, what is the table? 1.3 table is there. This table shows the expression for various parameters of particles in terms of unit cell or dimension for cubic systems. Simply you have to observe what is the table. In table, simple first column is unit cell, second column is relation between A and R, third column is volume of one particles, and last column is total volume occupied by the particles in unit cell. Okay, first is ACC, second BCC, and third one is FCC. Here what is the relation between R and A is equal to, first ACC is equal to R is equal to A by 2. It gives 0.500 into A. 0.5000 into A. Okay, and second point, that is R is equal to root 3A upon 4. It gives 0.4330 into A. And third one, that is FCC, R is equal to root 2A upon 4. It gives by 0.3535 into A. Next column, that is volume of one particles, that is SCC pi a cube upon 6 is, it gives 0.5237 into a cube, and BCC under root 3 pi a cube upon 16, it gives also 0.34 a cube, and FCC pi into a cube upon 12 root 2, it gives 0.185 into a cube, and last column, that is total volume occupied by particles in unit cell, is equal to pi into a cube upon 6. It gives 0.523737 into a cube. In BCC, under root 3 pi a cube upon 8, it gives 0.68 into a cube, and in FCC, pi into a cube upon root 3 into root 2, it gives 0.74 into a cube. Okay, next point, that is next table, that is table number 1.4, coordination number and packing efficiency in crystal cubic system. The table number 1.4 shows the summary of coordination number of one particles and packing efficiency in various cubic system. That simple table you have to observe, that first is also SCC, BCC, and FCC. In second column, coordination number of atoms, and third column, that is packing efficiency. First SCC having 6 coordination number, that is 4 in the same layer and 1 is directly above and 1 is directly below. That is its packing efficiency having 52.4%. In BCC, 4 total number of 8 coordination number is there, 4 in the layer below and 1 in the layer above. Total number of packing efficiency is equal to 68%. And last, that is FCC having 12 coordination number, 6 in its own layer and 3 above and 3 are below. It's having the packing efficiency is equal to 74%. Okay, next point. Next point, that is second main discussing point, that is number of particles and unit cell in x gram of metallic crystal. The number of particles and the number of unit cell in given mass of a metal can be calculated from the known parameters of unit cell, namely number of particles n per unit cell, second one volume a cube of unit cell, and density rho and molar mass m of metals. Okay, are the related to each other through unit cell. The parameter are shown in below. What is the density? Rho is equal to mass upon volume. We know that. Then next, number of particles in unit cell upon volume of unit cell into m upon Na. Na is the Avogadro's number. Therefore, rho is equal to small n upon a cube into capital M upon Na. Therefore, when you have to calculate by capital M, then rho is equal to a cube upon a cube into Na upon small n. Okay. Hence, where n is the number of particles in unit cell and a cube is the volume of unit cell. Remember it. Next part, number of particles in x gram of metal. Continues you have to discussing here. Number of particles in x gram metal. Since the molar mass m, capital M contain Na particle, Na is the Avogadro's number. Therefore, x gram of metal, you have to suppose you have to consider x gram of metal contains x into Na upon m particles. Okay, then now substitute of m from the above equations gives the number of particles in x gram, that is x into Na upon rho into a cube into Na upon small n is equal to, here Na get cancelled, then remaining part, that is x into n small n upon rho into a cube. Okay, then the number of unit cell in x gram of metal is equal to n particles correspond to one unit cell. Therefore, xn upon rho into a cube particles correspond to xn upon rho into a cube into 1 upon n unit cells. Okay? Then the number of unit cell in x gram metals is equal to x upon rho into a cube. So, number of unit cell in volume V of metal is equal to V upon a cube. Okay. Next, the remaining parts are in next lecture. So, this lecture you have to stop here. Next remaining part is on next lecture. Thank you.